That means the wood itself is pretty strong.
Yeah.
Whoa.
You're stepping on the root.
Kind of coming on.
Yeah, I can't really.
You're right. They're not touching you.
Well, nothing major. That's a little piece.
Could be square in the eye. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah, a nice little cut.
Oh, this is good.
Oh, they would not be happy.
Come on the trail.
We'll have to move it off the trail.
Okay, can we get the lever a little lower so we can push more forward?
I think we should knock the root.
Get down.
Hey, where are the roots?
They're under my feet right there. We're going to pump the dirt all the way up the ridge.
Yeah, can you get in this one?
That means it's pretty anchored yet.
Yeah. That wood isn't going to break very easily.
They're not that big though.
What is it about this that things out?
Got one or two of these root cuts that we got.
Now look, you guys, be ready to run back. That thing would snap.
Defer that.
Slide down the tree over there.
Yeah? Come on, you got it.
Now, one more.
Go again, Jack.
Okay, I can pick this up.
Alright.
Oh.
If that falls, now it's gonna cream someone. He's gonna fall just right.
Okay, so we didn't pull that little tree out of the way.
No, you start walking up with that.
Come on.
What's the butt there?